Mumzys! Thanks for stopping by on my channel. I'm Mumzy Vany. So in today's video mga Mumzys, we will be doing an unboxing on the products that I bought on the 8.8 sale from Lazada. So nakikita yung box na to at saka yung pouch na to, we will be opening it up. Now if nagtataka kayo, iba yung ating location ngayon because as you can see, yun nga, hindi ko pa nabubuksan itong mga items na to na pinamili ko because I just want to share with you that on this area of our house, this is where I put all my online orders and this is where I disinfect them bago ko sila ipasok doon sa bahay. Okay? So, these products were already disinfected pero gusto ko lang talaga i-share sa inyo, di ba? You know what's going on around us, so mabuting nang sigurado tayo bago natin ipasok kung yung mga nabili natin from outside. If you can see mga Mumzys, I have set up a table here. It's good kasi we have a faucet naman dito. So bago kayo pumasok ng bahay, you have to wash your hands. I also prepared a soap here and also an alcohol. At meron akong nilagay na signage. Ayan. Ang cute ng signage ko. Andito siya actually. Dyan. And I have a cutter here on the drawer so that when I open my orders, dito ko na lang lahat sila ina-open at hindi ko na sila. So, let's go ahead and open this package muna na nabili ko. Okay. So, as I've said, I have already disinfected this mga Mumzys. Buti na lang. At manipis lang yung pagkaka-ano ko kasi hindi pala binubble wrap yung order ko sa seller na to. Oh my God, ba't naman ganon? Hindi binubble wrap. As in, literal na nilagay lang siya directly on the Lazada pouch. Okay. I ordered, ito lang ba order ko sa store na to? Okay. Hala ka? Parang may kulang sa order ko na to, ha? Okay. I ordered this, ano bang tawag dito? Parang rash guard type of damit na pwedeng gamitin when I bike or kahit mag-jog outside or any exercise that you will be doing outdoors. And I bought another, this one. This is like, parang ang ingay ng kapitbahay. Grabe naman sila magchika. Yan, these shorts na may cycling shorts na siya inside. Yan, maganda yan. Okay, I hope kasya na to sa akin. So I bought 2 of these kind of shorts. Eto. So, ganun din. Same design lang po sila but different colors. I hope kasya na to sa akin because the last time I bought this kind of shorts, napakalaki niya sa akin. Okay? And yung isa, ano ba to? What is this? I think this is the one that you will be putting in your arm. Yeah. Yung ilalagay mo sa arm mo para hindi masyadong mainit. Diba? Yung parang hanggang dyan lang siya. Ganun. Ganun. Sasakay ka ng motor o di kaya magbabike tapos short sleeve lang yung gamit mo. So you can use this to protect your arm. Hindi siya umitim. Okay? Alright. So ang next item na bubuksan na natin mga Mumzys is itong box na ito. First time kong bumili ito online and I hope I got the right item and I hope it's working. Diba? Binigyan ko na kayo ng mga clues mga Mumzys, and let's open it up and let's see what's inside this box. So, lipat lang tayo mga Mumzys because this is quite a big box and hindi siya kasya doon sa table. So, yan, lipat tayo and let's open it. Okay, so isa-isahin natin kung anong laman ng box na to. I've actually ordered 3 different products from this seller. So, first is itong wooden organizer box with wooden desktop organizer multifunction. I'm not sure if this is the one, but yeah, I think this is it. I just need to assemble this mga Mumzys. Okay, X. Okay. This is the other item. Yan. I ordered this desktop capsule vacuum cleaner. Ayan siya. Yan. I can use this when cleaning up yung table ng mga anak ko. Kasi pag nag-i-erase sila ng mga assignments or ng mga homeworks nila, di ba? I think this will really work. I hope it does. Buksan nga natin how it looks like. I think I still need to assemble this mga Mumzys, but this, it looks like this and cute. So cute na vacuum cleaner. Diba? Okay. So ito na mga Mumzys, ito na yung item na pinapahulaan ko sa inyo, at kung sino man ang nakahula, congratulations to you in advance. Pa-advance Merry Christmas ko na to mga Mumzys. Okay, so ito na. Ano pa yung uunahin natin? Okay, I think ito unahin natin para magka-idea kayo. Paano ba to? Bigas siya. Okay, from this itself, alam niyo na kung ano, di ba? So, ayan nga. That's one of the part. And then, bigat. Ayan. O, diba? So, may idea na kayo kung ano siya mga Mumzys. And, I love it because this is my favorite color. O, diba? So, let me just assemble this one mga Mumzys and tignan natin how it looks like. So, ito na lahat mga Mumzys yung materials ng chair. So, let's assemble it. Tamang-tama for my daughter on her online class. I hope she will like this. O, diba? Yan. Napagod ako dun mga Mumzys. Okay. Ang ganda. Yan. Although, yung quality ng upuan na to, it's really different. Like, yung mga, let's say, yung mga nasa mall talaga, diba? Pero, okay na din, considering hindi naman tayo basta-basta makalabas ngayon. So, this one is okay. Napagod ako dun mga Mumzys. Alright, anyways, that's all for our vlog today mga Mumzys. I hope you like this video. And again, congratulations kung sino man ang nauna sa inyo na nakahula kung ano ang laman ng box na to. Okay? So, if you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up and comment down below. if you have tried purchasing this kind of chair online at kung ano rin ang mga experiences ninyo. And I hope you will subscribe on my channel and turn on the bell so you won't miss any of my new uploads, and I hope to see you on the Mumzy Club. Keep safe always mga Mumzys. Godspeed.